Hey guys, today's video is a skincare video, which really excites me because I am the ultimate skincare junkie. So today I'm going to talk to you about skin toners, waters, splashes, tonics. They have so many different names, but they're actually gaining a lot of popularity in skincare right now. I've actually been using one in my skincare routine for going on 2 years now, so I absolutely love them. I swear by them, and I honestly think they are the backbone of every solid skincare routine. Also, as you know, I'm a firm believer that no makeup look will ever look its best unless you have a really good skincare routine behind it. So you're going to need something that's going to last the day, works really hard for you, and also is super hydrating on your skin so your makeup doesn't crack or cake or fall off. So the hydrating skin water I'm going to talk to you about today is the one I've been using recently, and that's the Anew Perfect Skin, and this is the Daily Skin Boosting Splash. Now, I'm absolutely loving this because not only is it super easy to use, but it's really hydrating, and you can see instantly on the skin that your skin looks brightened, more radiant, and really hydrated. So it's going to be the perfect start to every skincare routine, and then you can follow on with your serums, your eye creams, your moisturizers, etc. So this product is almost like a 15-second quick, like super quick hydration mask. You just splash it into your hands and then you press it onto clean, dry skin, and that's going to be the first step in the skincare routine. The reason I think you should introduce a splash water into your routine at the very beginning is because it's going to work extra hard for you, because these waters are designed to tone, retexturize, brighten, hydrate in just one easy step. I started using one actually about 2 years ago in my skincare routine because I felt like no matter how much serum and like moisturizer I was putting on my face, I was always drying out a little bit, and I was thinking, what extra steps could I put in to make my skincare routine just work a little bit harder for me? And then I looked into waters, which are originally actually more of a Korean beauty idea, K-beauty, which is super popular now. And these beauty routines always start with splashing a hydrating toner, water, tonic, whatever you want to call, onto your skin. And that's going to basically kickstart your routine and make all of your products that you put on afterwards work extra hard for you. So like me 2 years ago, you might have been feeling like your skincare routine wasn't really working hard enough for you, despite, you know, using really great products. Then maybe adding a splash water into your routine is something that will work for you, because honestly, it's not going to take you any extra time than 50 seconds of splashing it into your hand and then just patting it onto the skin. It's like literally that simple. So makeup free, I'm ready to show you guys how to incorporate one of these daily skin boosting splashes into your skincare routine. It's super quick and easy. It's basically a 15-second hydrating mask. You open it up and literally this is what you do. Splash it into your hands, take it in your hands like that. It feels like kind of like a little bit like thick jelly water. It's quite satisfying. Then basically just press it all over your skin, neck included. Swipe up for that. Okay. And voila! As you can see in the close-up, it's literally just like plumped up my skin, and it literally dries within seconds. That is it. That is a simple way to use hydrating waters in your skincare routine, just for extra radiance and a bit of a glow boost. So the Anew Perfect Skin range has 2 cream options. They have the Sleep Cream, which is obviously your night skin cream option, and then it also has the Wake Up Cream, and this is the daily everyday moisturizer. So I'm just going to take some of that into my hand and then put it all over my face. But guys, can you actually see the skin? I literally only have the skin splash on right now, and look how radiant my skin is already. So good. This is why you need one of these in your skincare routine. Anyway, moisturizer. That is the Wake Up Cream, just really refreshing, sinks in really quickly, nourishes the skin, makes it feel really supple and bouncy. So after the Wake Up Cream moisturizer, you can then follow with the Wide Awake Eye Cream, and this is a really nice eye cream for just brightening the under eye area and smoothing out and hydrating any fine lines or dryness. You literally don't need a lot, just place like that much on your ring finger. there you have it. So once you finish your skincare routine, there's also an instant blurring treatment in the Perfect Skin range as well, and this is basically like a primer product. You just sweep it on over any areas where you have like more pores or any fine lines and wrinkles that you want to fill, and that'll just give your skin more of a blank, perfect canvas to start your makeup routine. Look how fresh and glowy and hydrated and smooth and bright. So many adjectives, but I really do feel like this is such a solid skincare routine. So as a beauty blogger, I firmly believe that good makeup comes from good skin. So if you've got a solid skincare routine in place, then you're going to give your makeup the best chance of not only staying longer, but looking its best and just having a more flawless base to start working from. If you don't already have a hydrating splash water in your routine, I really recommend it, and I absolutely love this one. It will last you a really long time because it's literally a splash every single day, every morning before you do the rest of your skincare routine. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.